Okay, so now we're going to introduce you to Pixlr. We're going to actually go to Pixlr and we're going to crop an image. And then we're going to put that image onto our Pixlr work Google slide. So Pixlr Photo Editor is a website that you can use to edit your photos. It is cloud-based application. That means you don't need to download any software on your computer. There is also a mobile app if you need to. We're going to use the computer version. It's very similar to Photoshop, and you can use it to edit, enhance, and create photos. So here's the link, and I'm just going to go to Pixlr, and it's pixlr.com. We're not really going to log in. We're just going to go to Pixlr E right here, Pixlr Editor, and we're going to open that up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go find an image. I'm going to clear my history. All right, so yours should look like this. So what we're going to do is go find an image that we want to edit. I've already gone in and found a dog that I want to open up and I'm going to crop. So I just typed in dog, and then I hit images, and then I opened this, kind of clicked on this. You can see the size of the photo here. You want kind of a good big image. This isn't great, but if it's above 1,000 by 1,000, that's always good. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this image. So I want you to save it. So I'm right clicking on it and I'm going to save this image to my computer. And I want you to do the same thing. So I'm just going to call this, I'm going to leave the name as it is. This is a dog puppy, and I'm going to save it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Pixlr, which was right here. And then I'm going to open that image. So I can open it from here. I can open it from here. So I'm going to click. I'm going to go to my downloads and I'm going to look for the dog. You're going to go find you might be able to find yours in your recents. Mine's going to look different than yours. I'm going to open it up. And then we are in Pixlr now. And you can see you have various things that you can do up at the top. These are different things, different views, adjustments. We're going to be learning how to use most all of this. And then you have your different tools over here on the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop this. So this is your cropping tool. If you hover over it, it says crop. And all you do is you click on that, and then you click on these little boxes, and you're just going to drag them over to crop your photo. And I want you to take and just crop that image so that that image is kind of centered. And you can click on all of these to just surround the image that you want. And it gives you little grids, if you can see, so you can see where it's placed. And notice that we have layers over here, we have a history, and we're going to be talking about some of that. So once you've cropped your photo, what we're going to do is we're going to save it, and then we're going to go, so I'm going to do save, so go over here to File, and we hit Save, and I want you to title it, so then we're going to call this Crop Dog. Okay, and then save it as a JPEG. High quality is fine, and then you're going to download it. And that's all there is to cropping a photo. Now what I want you to do is go find your Pixlr work. Let's see, let me find mine. Okay, so find your Pixlr work, open up the thing that we did in the first lesson, and it's in your Google Drive, and it should have your name on it. And then what I want you to do on the second slide, it should say cropping sample, and I want you to go and add both the original photo and the cropped photo, and then add that to here. You're going to insert it here, and then you're going to save that, and then I want you to screenshot that and turn that in. So if you go to Insert Image, Upload from Computer, and then I am going to upload. This video might run out, and if it does, you're just going to continue. So I'm going to look for my dog. So I have the original. I wonder if it'll do both. I want both the original and the cropped. I'm going to do both at the same time. Very good. So I'm going to resize each of these. So I'm going to click off of this one, and I'm going to resize this. And I think I'm about to run out of time. So go ahead and do that. Resize both of those, put them on your thing, screenshot it, and turn it in. So you should have the original as well as the cropped image, and turn that in. And that's it.